somebody can just help me translate. So now I'm part of the band. Tell them I'm part of the band. Tell them. I'm part of the band now. Okay. So I will be giving them 5 lakhs to buy equipment, music equipment. But since you are part of I'm part of the band now. So this is my band. So I'm giving 5 lakhs to buy equipment, music equipment. Okay? Good. So I need the name of the band.